In DynamoDB, a global table is a distributed multi-region table that provides a fully managed solution for globally distributed applications. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things you need to know about global tables in Amazon DynamoDB. Let's get started. Number 1. Global tables allow you to replicate your data to multiple AWS regions with low latency and high performance access to your data from anywhere in the world.
Attention!
Number 2. A global table consists of multiple replicas or copies of a single DynamoDB table, which is automatically replicated across multiple AWS regions. Each replica is referred to as a region-specific table and contains a complete copy of the data in the global table.
Giddy up!
Number 3. The writes to any replica are automatically propagated to all other replicas, ensuring that all copies of the data are eventually consistent.
That's what I'm talking about!
Number 4. Global tables eliminate the complexity and operational burden of deploying and managing globally available tables in DynamoDB. You can simply select the regions where you need your data replicated, and DynamoDB handles the rest. Number 5. Let's look at an example. Say you have a large customer base spread across 3 geographic areas: the US East Coast, the West Coast, and South America. Customers can update their profile by using your application.
Attention!
Now, instead of writing your own code to replicate data changes among the tables for each of these regions, you could simply create a global table referencing your 3 region tables, and DynamoDB would then automatically replicate data changes so that changes to one region would seamlessly propagate to the other regions. Last but not the least, number 6. Global tables can help applications stay available and high-performing in business continuity scenarios. If a single AWS region becomes degraded, your applications can redirect to a different region and perform reads and writes against a different replica table. When the degraded region comes back online, DynamoDB resumes propagating any pending writes from that region to the replica tables in other regions and vice versa. In summary, global tables in DynamoDB are a powerful tool for building globally distributed, highly available applications that require low latency access to data from anywhere in the world. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.